Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Twitter account permanently using your Android phone. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So open your Twitter account, then click your profile here, then click Settings and Privacy. So right here, click Account. Click Deactivate your account. So right here, you may click Deactivate. Confirm your password, then click Deactivate. So if you deactivate your account, you can still reactivate it if you want. Just log in Twitter in span of 30 days. But if you click Deactivate and you did not log in for 30 days, then that's when your account will be deleted permanently. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!